because it's a national holiday, as I told you, there are so many people on the streets, and also when you're traveling these days, when you buy tickets, you know, for the train and the flight tickets, you have to make sure that you go to the airport and or the train station a couple of hours earlier than your scheduled, you know, train or flight, because it happens that, you know, because of many people, there is a big chance that you might miss your flight or your train. It's so hard sometimes to get, you know, get into the plane or the train. So the market is actually on the other side of the Huangpu River, and we're going to go around, so it's gonna take around 15 minutes by taxi. So these buildings actually, as you know, these were built, you know, hundreds of years ago, at least 100 and plus years ago, when, you know, Western people came to China. Most of the financial institutions, they built their buildings along this Huangpu River. And now, even to this date, these are, you know, they belong to banks and other financial institutions, both Chinese and foreign. So as you can see here, the rest of the street is empty. So all the tourists are, you know, centered in that area, in the Bund. And around that area, the streets are empty because simply there's nothing to see here in these places, just the buildings. So basically, China has these two long holidays. First one is during Spring Festival, that is in February, from I think 15th or 12th of February until the end of February. During that time, the flow of people, tourists in China is so big. They move from one place to another. And mostly they again come to these tier 1 cities, including Shanghai, Beijing, Shenzhen and Guangzhou. And the second holiday is like today, is national holiday, and it starts from 1st of October and ends on 7th of October. So during these two holidays, it's actually not recommended to visit China. It's very hard to, you know, to enjoy basically. The best time to come to China is any time than during these holidays. So yeah, this is my recommendation. Okay, so we have arrived to this southbound fabric market of Shanghai. It's one of the textile markets, wholesale textile markets, and in here you can get your clothes customized basically, both for women and men. You can get tailor-made clothes, including suits and dresses, etc., etc. You can find all sort of fabric here, and from the Bund, it's around 15 minutes by taxi, and you can also come here by metro, but I'm not sure which metro station. I'll try to find and put the location address and plus how to get here by metro, by public transport in the description box. So here we go. Now we're gonna go inside and I'll try to record. And I'm sure you can find different videos on this market on YouTube, because I've seen myself many famous YouTubers made a video on this market, but still. So here we go, some street vendor. Okay, so let's start. All right. Hello. 你好。 Yeah. Thank you. Just take around, take a look around. Okay, thanks. Okay, tailors.
Hey, how
Hello.
are you? You want a scarf?
Hello. Okay, here we go. You can. Most of the sellers here actually they speak English. So. Okay, that's the outside. So let's go inside. This is what it looks like inside. Okay. Different tailors. And I guess because it's a holiday time, the market is less crowded.
Hello.
So as you can hear, most of them they speak English.
Hello.
Hello.
Something?
We just,
Maybe
you know,
inside look. We have a suit.
sure.
Yes, shirts. Handmade.
All right.
Yes. I can
So we
give you
take a
more
look
discount.
around. Great.
You want something? Maybe inside look.
Definitely, yes. Let's look around and I'll come back.
Maybe this time I see give you more discount. This time I give more discount.
All right.
Trust me.
Thank you.
Good fabric.
Thank you. All right, let's go. Okay, many tailors here, and most of them they offer discounts, so you can negotiate, right? She's smiling. Let's go. Actually, the reason why we came here is to find the leather, you know, stores, just to test some of the leather vendors. And I'm not sure if we can find those here, because as I can see, most of them are fabrics, not leather. But we're gonna try. And it's interesting that they work during holiday time. So this is, you know, a good information for business people who want to do some shopping, some business during holiday time in China. So yeah, let's try upstairs, because on the first floor, on the ground floor, most of them are, you know, just fabrics, not the leather. Here's a leather shop. Yeah. And majority of the shops are, you know, tailors, like for suits for men, as you can see here. And I'm sure there should be some sort of, you know, map for this market, that, you know, all the floors, the different floors are divided into different sections, maybe. I'm not sure though. Oh, let's just walk. Hello. And I know that this market is a perfect place to get custom-made, tailor-made suits, especially if you don't want to spend, you know, a lot of money on tailor-made suits. In here, you can get, you know, okay quality custom-made suits, and you know, for around 800 yuan, 800, 1,000 yuan, something like that. So let's go to the third floor. And if you negotiate, I'm sure you can get it for even cheaper. You know, three-piece suit, maybe like 800, 700, something like that. And also you can get your shirts tailor-made. Yeah, and this is not the only place actually in Shanghai. There are different textile markets. I'll try to visit those places and you know, make a video on them. But seems like all the floors more or less the same. They're not that different, you know, from each other. But on the third floor, I see this kind of fabrics, like fabrics, you know, in rolls here. You can buy by meter, I guess. And third floor is more for women's clothes. But I guess it's a mixture, yeah. You can also see men's clothes, men's suits. It's not that huge, this market. It's not very small either. Yeah. There we go. A very interesting place to visit. Okay, we couldn't find the leather that we needed. But anyway, we're going to take a look outside the market. Maybe they have it outside. But inside, they don't have you know, many options here for leather. Mostly, you know, fabric, different fabric. Anyway, here we go. Suits by Susan. And if you pay attention to the names of the stores, you can see that most of the shops are, you know, for tailors, basically. There we go. And I know that you can bring your own design here and they can make it for you. Of course, it's not going to be like perfect, like, you know, Dolce & Gabbana, etc. But the quality of the suits will be, you know, very good actually. I tried them, and yeah, I mean, for the trained eye, probably, you know, it makes some difference in quality or the style. But for common people, you know, somebody who don't know the difference much, who's not, you know, trained in suits, you can make a good quality, yeah. And especially, it's not very expensive here to make tailor-made suits for men. All right. 𝐒𝐞𝐫𝐯𝐢𝐜𝐞𝐬. Uh-huh. Hello. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you this address of this place. Here we go. Lujiabang Road 399. So if you take a taxi from the Bund, you can give the driver this address, and he will bring you here, basically. So this is how it looks like from the outside. Okay, and on top you can see the name of the market. Okay, Southbound Soft Spinning Material Market. Okay, yeah, the interesting thing is, as I told you, it's not closed during holiday time. Okay guys, see you in a bit. Now we're going to one of the bookstores of Shanghai actually to buy, you know, some English books. And I hope they're not closed either. So see you guys soon.